Hey, I'm Jacob from SignAgent, and today I'm going to be walking you through the SignAgent Mobile App.
So whether you're going out on site to do an initial sign audit or survey, or you're headed out to do a punch list, the SignAgent mobile app is the tool to use. Now before you head out, you need to prep your project on the web first. Make sure you have location plans uploaded and have the sign states and types that you want to use in there as well. Now someone may have already done this for you, depending on your role in the project. Now you're ready to download the SignAgent mobile app from the Apple App Store. Once it's downloaded, you can log in using your existing SignAgent credentials and let your project sync down, which may take some time depending on how large your projects are. You can click on the project and a floor plan to see it. You can zoom in and rotate the plan using your fingers or the 45-degree buttons along the bottom. If I was doing a survey and starting with a clean floor plan with new signs, I can add new signs by tapping and holding the spot that I want to add a picture. Automatically, it launched the camera for me to take a picture of that sign. I can choose to add a comment to this sign or tap the info button on the bottom left to add more information about this sign, including setting the sign type, adding a message by filling out the field values that are determined by the sign type, or any notes that I want to add about this sign in the details field. Once the sign is added, I could always go back in to edit again by clicking on the blue pencil, or I could rotate the sign as needed, or I could also move the sign around. Once completed, you could go back to the locations page of your project and pull down to refresh all the information that you collected to synchronize that to the SignAgent cloud.
So that's about all there is to it. Remember, all you need to do to get started is sign up for a SignAgent account if you haven't already, and download the app from the App Store. Thanks for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions.